Namaste. Let's begin our practice by waking up the energy of your feet. Lift through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, and lower your heels, lifting through your toes. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes. And as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands beneath your right leg for support. Gently roll and stretch, pressing the tops of your toes into the earth. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg for support. Gently press and roll over the tops of your toes on your left foot. Release and return to center. Extend both legs forward, rooting down through your heels. Alternate between contracting and curling your toes in, and releasing, flexing through your heels. Stay connected to your breath as you release, and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. With your core engaged, alternate lifting through your right and left leg, increasing circulation through your lower body, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, alternate drawing your right knee in towards your chest, and extend, lengthening and pressing through your right foot, keeping your right foot flexed. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, moving slow and controlled, contracting and squeezing through your leg muscles, keeping your right leg active by flexing through your right heel. Release and repeat on the opposite side. With your core engaged, alternate drawing your left knee in towards your chest and extend, pressing your left foot away, flexing through your heel. Continue moving at your own pace, contracting and squeezing through your leg muscles, keeping your left leg active by flexing through your left heel. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more flexibility and mobility in your joints. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your foot and ankle. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more mobility and flexibility, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, creating more mobility and flexibility through your foot and ankle. Release and return to center, sitting a little more forward on your chair. Step your feet closer, right and left, coming on to the balls of your feet with your heels raised. Adding an abductor movement, begin to open and close your legs, pressing down through the balls of your feet, moving at your own pace. Release and step your feet back to center. Begin to gently massage your legs, increasing circulation while releasing tension through your muscles and joints, re-energizing through your lower body. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.